This video will show you how to move text in CapCut PC. Click on the text section, then click on the small plus icon to add text. Stretch it across the entire video. Type any text you want in the black box. Click and drag the text to position it where you want it to start. Scroll down to the transform section and check both the scale and position boxes. Now move along the timeline and drag the text to where you want it to move. A keyframe will automatically be created on your timeline. Play the video. If the movement feels too slow, move the keyframe to the left to speed up how quickly the text reaches its new position. If you want to add another text movement, move the timeline to where the new movement should start, then check scale and position again. Once again, move along the timeline and drag the text to the new position, and you're done. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a great day.